morning, sir. Welcome to LCN Cafe and Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation.
Nothing.
May I have your name and for how many person, please?
Sandros Cabello. For one person, please.
Would you prefer, sir, a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
This way, sir. Is this table okay for you, sir?
Yes.
Please have a seat. Excuse me, sir. May I unfold your table napkin?
Yes, please.
How about some refreshing drinks start with it? Would you like an iced tea pineapple juice?
Iced tea, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your iced tea.
Thanks.
By the way, sir, I am Reggie Skid, your dining attendant for today. Thus, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need something. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some water. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some freshly baked bread.
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you our menu and wine list for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, sir.
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. May I take your order?
For main course, I would like to order a beef steak.
Okay, sir.
And for my dessert, I would like a buko salad.
Okay, sir. Message to our appetizer, which is meatballs.
No thanks.
Sir, message this to our soup, which is chicken soup.
No thanks.
And sir, message to our red wine that complement with your main course.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? Your order for main course is beef rib steak. And for your dessert is buko salad. And for your wine is red wine that complement with your main course. Did I get your order correct, sir?
Yes.
Your order will be served within 15 to 20 minutes. Are you willing to wait, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I take the menu?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Is your beef steak for your main course?
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I clear your table?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Is your buko salad for your dessert?
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I clear your table?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our red wine that complete with your main course?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Is your cork? Can I pour it now?
Yes, please.
Is this okay for you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Is your bill? I received 1,000 pesos, sir, and I'll be back for your change and receipt. Excuse me, sir.
Thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Is your change and receipt? Thank you, sir, for dining with us. Hope to see you again next time.
Thanks.